system, Astrid! It's my glory!
Oh, it's ruining everything!
No sheep, no glory!
Gotcha! Ha-ha!
Well played! That is my future daughter-in-law!
And God knows I'm not telling, but I feel now. And God knows it's the only way to feel now.
Ever since I was a kid, I've been legit. If I was you, I would cut up my wrist. Exotic all over her body. Oh, she just swallowed all and I don't mind it.
Don't worry, bud.
I wanna be your lover. I don't wanna be your friend. You don't know what you got till it's not my day. So tell me that you love me again.
Like a rodeo, right like a rodeo, baby. I wanna feel your body on top of mine. Right now, we ain't gon' waste no time, baby.
Maybe. But you know, there is something out there.
Hiccup. Isn't it obvious? He's in love.
Trust me, relationships are nothing but pain and misery.
I just wanna be your sweetheart. Fucking come here, give me your heart. Just you and me to infinity. I can't fucking breathe, too much ecstasy.
He's in love. He'd do anything for his big hunk of bone-crushing love.
The type of girl you wanna chew all of my bubble gum. The type of girl you wanna chew all of my bubble gum. I'm the type of girl you wanna take to your mama house. Take to your mama house. The type of girl you wanna chew all of my bubble gum.
They grow up so fast, don't they?
I'm at your feet. Whenever, wherever we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near, and that's the deal, my dear.
You want to give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready?
Love, pain,
sudden moves. Should I know you?
No, you're only a babe. But a mother never forgets. But a mother never forgets.
Well, be the last of his kind. And look, he's your age. No wonder you get along so well. Attractive teeth.
I found him in the woods. He was shot down, wounded. That sounds amazing.
I don't even feel the cold, I just feel
Free.
This is what it is to be a dragon, Hiccup.
Show me what you're working with.
just like his mother. Aye, she could never stay put either.
Now you know where I get my dramatic flair.
Dad? You couldn't get us a new mom?
I don't want another. Your mom was the only woman for me. She's the love of my life. There's no greater gift than love. You're as beautiful as the day I lost you.
Você pode largar essa espada, por favor?
You smell like you've been sleeping in my clothes under the sheets.
Eu sei o que você vai dizer, Stoy.
With a suitcase,
Como eu pude fazer isso? Sumir por todos esses anos. E por que eu não voltei pra você? Pro nosso filho. Sei que te deixei e você criou o soluço sozinho. Mas eu achei que ele ficaria melhor sem mim. Eu estava errada. Agora eu vejo isso, mas... Pare de ser tão estoico. Vai em frente. Berre, grite, diga alguma coisa.
Você está tão linda quanto no dia que eu te perdi.
you have all the
Scream, say something!
You're as beautiful as the day I lost you.
She took my fingers to her mouth, the kind of thing that makes you proud, that nothing else
Would keep you from all harm if you would stay beside me.
We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond.
For you, my dear, anything. Will you come home, Bob? Will you be my wife once again?
inside this place is warm, outside is ice to pour.
Get to my stretch. It's my glory.
Oh, it's ruining everything!
No sheep, no glory.
Gotcha!
Applause, applause, applause. I live for the applause, applause. Live for the applause, applause. Live for the way that you cheer and scream.
Building a dragon army. Or at least the guy they work for is, Dargo Bloody Fist or something.
Irresponsible.
I'm trying to protect our dragons and stop a war. How is that irresponsible?
Because war is what he wants, son. Drago Bloodfist is a madman without conscience or mercy. And if he's built a dragon army, God's help us all. Years ago, there was a great gathering of chieftains to discuss the dragon scourge we all faced. Into our midst came a stranger from a strange land, covered in scars and draped in a cloak of dragon skin, and spoke softly, saying that he was Drago Bloodfist.
Kill me now.
That can be arranged. Stormfly, drop. Good girl. Stormfly, fetch. Works every time.
Oh, yes, they will. They know we're missing, and they have tracking dragons. If you so much as touch us, Hiccup is gonna kick.
He's not a problem, really. Trust me.
He's only the son of Stoic the Vast, his heir to the throne of Burke, and the greatest dragon master this world has ever seen.
Dragon Master. I alone control the dragons.
No, sorry.
And unless you let us go, right now, he will blast through here on his Night Fury and blow your entire fleet of ships to splinters. Then they'll be crying like babies.
Funny. Good one, Ben.
You are a steaming heat dragon.
Duck.
Applause, applause, applause. I live for the applause, applause, live for the applause, applause, live for the way that you cheer. 100 bands up, shout out Spin King, that's my motherfucking blood. Go, 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 Muliani, go, go, Muliani.
I've lived among them for 20 years ago, discovering their secrets.
The Alpha. Now we have a fight. Waited a long time for this.
Cannot take on dragons! They are controlled by the Alpha!
Then it's a good thing I brought a challenger.
Catching up with Bob.
That's your mother?
become someone that great, that brave, that selfless. I guess.
Like a rubber bird until you prove the word. Yeah, I be snapping, I move forward. You won't see me move apart.
It wasn't your fault, but they made you do it. You'd never hurt him. You'd never hurt me.
How are you doing that?
Please, you are my best friend, but... Almost there, buddy, almost there! We need to get those two apart. Gotta block him out, Toothless. Do you trust me, brother? We can do this. You and me. As one. That's it. Now let's try this one more time.
Take him down,
Go get him.
Take control of it!
Shut it out, Toothless.
Stop them!
Now!
Não cessa do fim de semana. De semana. De semana.
consuming all the air inside my lungs, ripping all the skin from off my bones. I'm prepared to sacrifice my life. I would gladly do it twice. Oh, please have mercy on me. Take it easy on my heart.
He's challenging the Alpha to protect you!
No! Fight back! Fight! Fight!
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty. Let this end now.
Never! Come on!
Bring the lion out. 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 Bring the lion out.
A great man has fallen. Chieftain, father, friend.
Don't walk away, Moana, stay on the ground now. Our people will need a chief, and there you are. There comes a day
The chief
when you're
has
gonna
come
look
home!
around and realize happiness is where you are.